In this video, we have been given a circle of radius 5 and angle AMB is 60 degrees. Then we have to find shaded area. So, in any circle, from any point M, if we make two tangents on the circle, suppose this point is A and this point is B, then MA, it will be equal to MB. So MA, it is equal to MB, and suppose the center of the circle is O, and if we join OB, then OA, it will be equal to OB, that will be radius, and it is 5. So OB, it is 5, and now in any circle, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular on each other. So OA, it will be perpendicular on AM, and OB, it will be perpendicular on BM. And now in AO BM, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 60 degrees. So this angle, it will be 360 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 60 degrees. That will be 120 degrees. So this angle, it is 120 degrees, and now if we join OM, then in triangle OAM and triangle OBM, we have OA is equal to OB, AM is equal to BM, and OM is common. So triangle OAM, it will be congruent to triangle OBM. Hence, angle AMO, it will be equal to angle BMO, that will be angle AMB over 2, and it is 60 degrees over 2, that will be 30 degrees. So this angle, it is 30 degrees, and this angle is 30 degrees, and now in triangle AOM, it is AOM. This angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. AO is 5 and tan 30 degrees. It will be AO over AM, and tan 30 degrees, it is 1 over root 3. It is equal to AO is 5 over AM. So AM, it will be 5 times root 3. AM, it is 5 times root 3, and BM, it is equal to AM. So BM, it will be also 5 times root 3, and now shaded area, it will be equal to area of AOM plus area of BOM minus area of sector AOB, and area of AOM, it will be 1 over 2 times base is AM and height is AO plus area of BOM, it will be 1 over 2 times base is BM and height is BO minus area of sector AOB, it will be pi times radius is 5 square times angle is 120 degrees over 360 degrees, and it is equal to 1 over 2 times AM is 5 root 3 times AO is 5 plus 1 over 2 times BM is 5 root 3 times BO is 5 minus pi times 25 times, and 120 times 3 is 360. So it is 1 over 3, and it is 25 root 3 over 2 plus 25 root 3 over 2 minus 25 pi over 3, and it will be 25 root 3 minus 25 pi over 3. It is 25 root 3 minus 25 pi over 3